parents dropped this by as a surprise for us today, and Doodoo has finally found his way to it. He was just playing with the mouse.
What's the your morning day? You can wake up like
Yeah, it's true. It is not morning though.
It's not morning.
It is nighttime. Hi. So I haven't vlogged all day.
No. You saw a little clip of the cat.
Yeah, that's really it. Cheryl's parents came over, but just before they came over, I got 2 pieces of news. No, I got 1 piece of news yesterday.
Yeah.
But it was basically saying congratulations. I got the job, the place where I interviewed. Yay.
Why I bought him all the clothes.
Yeah. Well, Cheryl was very positive about it.
Yes.
And I, on the other hand, was like, well, I haven't really heard back from them, and they haven't called me or anything like that. But the manager just emailed me, and I was like, oh, okay. Well, that works too. So I got the emailed her back, and then after that happened, I got another email saying from one of the music places. Remember that time that like I walked through the snow and everything? Yeah, one of the music places from then. They were like, "Are you gonna be home past 6 today?" And I was like, "Yeah." So they called. I've got an interview with them on Friday. I'm not sure what time exactly. They're gonna let me know. But yeah.
And out of that came
Cheryl got news.
possible good news for me. So Chuck was on the phone with the lady doing his phone interview, and they got talking about why we moved here, and got talking about me, and mentioned that I'm looking for something in my field, which is the environmental science field. And she was like, oh, actually, my husband's in the field, and here's his email. Tell her to email him saying that I sent him, and then at the very minimum he can kind of be a bit of a mentor for her and help her get into the field, whether it's with him or someone else that he knows. So that could be huge for me. Even having a mentor in the field is amazing. So I'm very excited and nervous about that. So all in all, it was a great hour-long phone call.
Cheryl got some clothes. Interview clothes.
I'm trying to be positive, thinking that the interview is hopefully coming.
Right? So she's got that. And we brought some food back for Shabadoo because he has no food left. So, well, he's got it in his bowl right now, but there's no extra.
Yeah.
So we got that for him. And now we're just gonna head back. So we'll see you inside. How this is appetizing for a cat, I don't know. Well, look at him. He's like, I want it. I want it.
Give me.
Alright. Let's put it down.
You ready? Ready? Go. He's like, but you've got things. Are you tricking me? Good boy.
Wow.
Good boy. It's okay. Good boy. Go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah, you can eat. Uh-oh.
I've never seen him do that before.
He thinks we're tricky, or leaving again. He might think we're leaving again.
Yeah. It's weird. He's like one of those cats that will only eat if we're eating. And like he'll just be like, oh no, I don't want it.
Yeah, if you're not nearby, he's
Yeah.
scared to eat, I think.
Yeah. Oh, there he goes.
Good
There he
boy.
is. Finally. Alright, so we're home. Like I said. Didn't lie.
Shabadoo has now found the catnip and is just licking the bowl. That sounded dirty. I'm sorry.
There you go. That's okay. So, that's We're getting rid of a lot of extra traffic that there's old factories, and then there's some old sister sites and stuff over there. But it's looking really good now. And I'm defrosting some stuff for dinner because we've eaten out a lot.